This 2015 Fleetwood Bounder 35K is a Class A RV. It is located in Brownstown Township, Michigan, 48192 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Fleetwood is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, Slideout, and 85 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, rear bath. This 2015 Fleetwood Bounder 35K is built on a Ford 362 horsepower chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.